Good morning, students. I am Smina Alam, teacher GHS Nova Gabra, class 9. Geography का chapter 4 climate हम पढ़ेंगे. In the last two chapters, you have read about the Indian forms and the drainage of our country. These are the two of three basic elements that one learns about the nature environment of any area. In this chapter, you learn about the third, that is the atmospheric condition that prevails over the country. Why do we wear woolen in December, or why is it hot and uncomfortable in the month of May, and why it rains in June, July? The answers to all these questions can be found out by studying about the climate of India. Climate refers to the sum total of weather conditions and variations over a large area for a long period of time, more than 30 years. Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere over an area at any point of time. The elements of weather and climates are the same, that is temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, and precipitation. You may have observed that the weather conditions fluctuate very often even within day, but there is some common patterns over a few weeks or months. That is, days are cool or hot, windy or calm, cloudy or bright, and wet or dry. On the basis of the generalized monthly atmospheric condition, the year is divided into seasons such as winter, summer, or rainy season. The world is divided into a number of climatic regions. Do you know what type of climate India has and why it is so? We learned about it in this chapter. The climate of India is described as the monsoon type. In Asia, this type of climate is found mainly in the south and the southwest. Despite an overall unity in the general pattern, there are precipitable region variations in climatic condition within the country. Let's take two elements, that temperature, precipitation, that examine how vary from place to place and season to season. In summer, the mercury occasionally touches 50 degrees centigrade in some parts of the Rajasthan desert, whereas it may be around 20 degree in Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir. On a winter night, temperature of those in Union Territory of Ladakh may be as below as minus 45 degree. Now we will discuss this question number 1. First of all, इसका question number 1 है, choose the correct answers from the four alternatives given below. Which one of the following places receives the highest rainfall in India? इसका आंसर है बी पार्ट, माइस्टनम. और सेकंड है इसका, द विंड ब्लोइंग इन नॉर्थ पेन्स इन समर इज नाउन एज, इसका बी है लू. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कॉजेज रेनफॉल ड्यूरिंग विंटर्स इन वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया? इसका सी है वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंस. मूनसून अराइज इन इंडिया अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इन अर्ली जून. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स द कोल्ड वेदर सीजन इन इंडिया? बी है इसका, वार्म डेज एंड कोल्ड नाइट्स. तो ये था हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. कल इसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 देखेंगे. थैंक्स, अल्लाह हाफिज़. टेक